What's up, everybody? It's Tia. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. Whatever the case is, I'm so glad you are here. So we are jumping right into this video. I am preparing my hair for a box braid installation. So on the stylist booking site, she requests that you come already washed, conditioned, and your hair blown out. So last night I washed, conditioned, and I deep conditioned. And I'm blowing my hair out the next morning. So yeah, this is my inspiration. You'll see that my final results are not identical, but they are very pretty nonetheless. So I wanted to drop a tip right here. Make sure that you take the time to give your hair a little extra TLC before getting a protective style, because it will definitely pay off in the end in the interest of reducing breakage, brittleness, and any damage to your hair. What's up, guys? I wanted to come on and talk about my hair a little more. This, of course, is the final result, and I think the stylist Leon, she did a great job. My hair is done very neatly. She was very professional. I recommend. There was a great atmosphere in the shop. I was booked for a 5-hour slot. It took her 5 hours. No complaints. No complaints. The only gripe that I do have is that I didn't buy enough of the number 27. I think I needed more of that, because the 613, the platinum blonde, which kind of comes up a little white on camera, it's more prominent than what I wanted, honestly. So I'm adjusting to that, but I have no complaints otherwise. And I'm hoping it does not clash with my birthday outfit. Speaking of my birthday, it is 3 days away, January the 2nd. Today is December the 30th, Wednesday, December the 30th. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. And then, yes, my birthday. I'm so excited. I am going to, drumroll, I am going to Phoenix, Arizona. So excited. My sister, my big cousin, all in one, Dana, is coming with me. I'll put up a picture of Dana. It's our first time going to Phoenix, Arizona, so we're super excited. And there will be a vlog. So yes, I want to jump right into a small accessories haul that features Forever 21 and Walmart. And then at the end, I will have a try-on haul of outerwear pieces, coats essentially, that feature Walmart, Forever 21, and It's Fashion. I do a try-on of the piece that I showed in my pack with me for my Atlanta trip. So yes, I'm gonna jump right into it. First, I'll show you this chain that I've worn already, which is why it's no longer in the packaging. But it's a basic gold chain, and I really love it. Really love it. It's a thin one. It was either $2.88 or $3.88. I also got the thicker version of it. Let's see. I haven't worn this yet, but I have plans for it. That was $3.88. And lastly, from Walmart are these earrings, which I really love. They are, well, they were $5.92. Yes. It's cream, snakeskin, outline, and gold. Love it. Can't wait to wear it. Now we're moving on to Forever 21. A basic silver chain. Let's see. Is this herringbone or am I being dramatic? Yes. This is made from upcycled materials, so I'm thinking that's a good thing. Also got these silver rings. I'm getting more into the ring trend. I actually have on this ring from Walmart, and I would love, if my future husband is watching this, this is what I want, babe. Something like this. This ring was $12 or $13 from Walmart. And I want an engagement wedding ring situation like this. So yes, back to regularly scheduled programming. This is the last jewelry piece from Forever 21. Just these small gold hoops. I think they're super cute. They were $5.99. And let's see, the rings were also $5.99. The silver chain was $7.99, but the jewelry was buy two, get one free. So yes. Next, I have glasses. They were all either $3 or $5, somewhere in between there. The max $7. So I got these clear ones for work purposes. I should have started with these. I've worn these already, and my braids will not let me be great, but let's see. These are a look, and I'll be taking them on my trip with me. I have these. This is a solid brown, and I have these for $3. I have an idea for these. I want to style them in a Kanye West neutrals kind of way. I have a vision. So I hope you're following me on Instagram. You follow me on Instagram, right? Because I got looks coming, y'all. I got looks coming. And I got these because what did I just say? I have looks coming. So I have a vision for these as well. And another brown pair, but they're not all the same. There are little nuances that make them different. These are the leopard print. Let's see if it'll pick up. I'm sorry for the not so clean lenses. But yeah, these are leopard print. So yeah, that's it for the accessories haul. And we're gonna go right into the outerwear portion. So I hope you all enjoy. This is my first time doing anything of that sort, so be nice.